All right, let's find the mean absolute deviation. The first thing you need to understand is that the mean absolute deviation is just the average distance of each data item from the mean. So if we were to go through and add up all of the different data items like height 56, height 56, 58, 58, 72, then divide them by the total number of data items, which is 5, that would give us the mean. But what we want to find out is the deviation or the separation from the mean. And what we'll do then is we'll find the average distance of each one of those items from the mean. So let's get started. Now the problem tells us that the mean is actually 60. It gives us the mean right there. So we know what the mean is. We just need to find the distance of each of these from that mean. So we're going to find the absolute value of the distance. So we're not going to have negative or positive values, just the absolute value of the distance. Well, what is the distance of 60 from 56? Well, it's 4. 60 minus 56 is 4. Naturally, for the second one, 60 minus 56 is 4 again. 60 minus 58 is 2, and then 2 again. And then in this case, the distance between 60 and 72 is 12. But again, we're not adding any negative numbers. We're just keeping the absolute value of the distance from the mean. Then we're going to add all these up and find the mean of those values, or the average of those values. And when we total those up, 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 12, we're going to get 24. And since we have 5 data items, we're going to divide by 5, and that will give us 4.8. When we've added all these up and divided them, we get 4.8 as the average distance from the mean of 60. And there you have it, mean absolute deviation.